everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. My name is Jason and I typically do unboxings on this channel. This video will be just that. I do a few other things here and there. I do some vlogs, I do some, like cooking videos and whatnot, but mostly unboxings. So let's just go ahead and get into today's video. I've actually got two boxes I'm going to unbox, but I'm only going to do one for this video, and then I'm going to do another video with the other box because I don't want the videos to be too long. So this one is going to be for Eyescream Beauty. So this is a indie beauty subscription. If you're not familiar, Eyescream Beauty, they've got, I believe, 2 subscriptions. They've got the bag, which I believe is, I want to say $12.50 a month. Don't quote me, but I think it's $12.50 a month. And you get like 3 to 4 full-size items in that, but you do pay shipping and handling. So for me, I did get that subscription for a while. It ended up being like $16.50 with the shipping and handling, which still wasn't bad. But I like the box better. This is $25 a month and you do not pay for shipping and handling. And you get 5 full-size items in this box. So this is for the month of November. It is November when I'm filming. It's actually almost mid-November, really. So I've just been crazy busy with work. I still haven't figured out a groove to film now that I'm back at work full time. But anyway, as I was saying, Eyescream Beauty, you get an eyeshadow palette in every box. So when you open her up, this is what it looks like. And with Eyescream Beauty, you always get a little card inside that tells you what the items are and their retail value, which I really appreciate. So let's go ahead and start pulling these things out. But first, I'm going to dump these packing peanuts that they pack in the box are usually the biodegradable kind. So I didn't bring a bag to put them in. Oh well, maybe I'll just pull them out of the box as I go. What is this? First item I am pulling out looks like this. Let's see, this is, this is Come Through Flawless. Come Through Flawless. Come Through Flawless. Set. Oh my gosh, I can't read this without my glasses. Sorry, folks. Let me take it out of the thing and see if... Oh, here on the back. Makeup set SPF is... Okay, so this looks like it's a setting spray. So, yeah. Yeah, Joyce Spinelli Cosmetics Flawless Setting Spray with SPF, $25. I'm curious to see what this smells like. So I'm going to go ahead and give her a little spritz. Comes in an interesting little container here. So this is the container. And let's see, do I just pull, yep, pull it off there. All right, so let's see what this spritzer is like. Where's the, here it is. Doesn't really have much of a scent. I appreciate that. So, okay, well, I will hold on to this and give this a try. Next time I have to set my makeup. So, all right, you get this. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried this brand, because I've never heard of this. Which is one of the reasons I appreciate this box, because, you know, it's an indie subscription box, so you get a lot of products that you may not have heard about in the mainstream. So there is that. Next thing in here, I'm going to save the palette for last. Like I said, there's always an eyeshadow palette. Here we have, this looks like a lip gloss. So this is going to be, I'm assuming this is Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss, $21. I am not going to open this because this isn't the, yeah, this is the Illuminati lip gloss. But I'm not going to open this. It's cute, but I already know that I'm not going to use this. So I will put it aside for a future giveaway. I do have a couple videos going on right now with giveaways. So I don't put giveaway in my title. So you just have to watch the videos to find out what the giveaways are. But I might link one of them below. So anyway, we've got that, $21. So the box is already paid for with the setting spray, and now this. Next thing we have is, looks like a brush. So this is going to be from Blush, okay, Blush Those Cheeks. So it's a blush brush, and this is from Cheeky Rose Beauty. This is $36. I don't know if I would pay $36 for one brush, but again, that's the beauty of subscription boxes. You don't pay that. So let's see what this looks like. So this is, I don't know how well you're able to see that, but it feels okay. It's very firm, but it's still soft. So, all right, it's fine. I mean, I'm not mad about getting this, so I will put this in my brush collection. But again, I wouldn't pay $36 for it. Let's see what else we have. We have, this is from Beached, oh, this is Beached Blush. So to go with the blush brush we have a blush, which makes sense. So this is, what is this? Bo Babe Beauty Beached Blush, $25. This is a kind of an expensive box, so at least with the retail values. Let's see here. I'm gonna open this up. If I'm struggling to read things, it's because I don't have my glasses on. When I wear my glasses for the video, you just see the reflection of the ring lights. So that's why I don't have my glasses on. But then I can't read the products, so. All right, come on, open her up. There we go. And let's see what this blush looks like. It feels very it's a plastic container, so it doesn't feel very luxurious. It's got a nice mirror. Oops, dropped the little plastic thing. But that is the blush. So I like the color of the blush. Let's see what this blush feels like. Feels very silky. It's very peach. So let's see, put that on my hand here. Okay, there it goes. It's actually a really pretty blush. So, all right. The packaging feels kind of cheap, but the blush is very pretty. All right, let's, anyway, I will look for that later. I dropped the little thing. But I am going to grab a makeup wipe real quick so that I don't get the blush all over. And I know that I have an eyeshadow palette coming up, so I want to prepare for that. All right. Okie dokie, let's see what else we got here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got, okay, so the last item is the palette. Now this is what the palette looks like from Lash Step, which I've never heard of. Lash Step Matte About You palette. This retails for $45. Interesting. All right. This is what the back looks like. You can't really see it with the ring light. Sorry, folks, but let's tear that off and see what this palette looks like. Have any of you ever heard of Lash Step? Let me know in the comments below. It's a fun, you know, it's kind of got like a faux leather feeling front. And then the sides and the back are, it's still plastic, but let's see here. Come on, there we go. So it's okay. So it does have a nice mirror, and looks like they almost look like cream palettes, but let's do this so this doesn't fall off. This is what the palette looks like. So it's a very neutral, earthy toned palette. I'm curious actually to try this, because this does look like a palette that I could use for like everyday looks, just to put maybe a more subtle looking eye look that I can wear to work. But I'm curious to see what the formula is like. So let's try, well, first let's try this white, because I'm really curious about this white up in the top here. Okay, wow. And then let's try, oh, it does, when it looks, I don't know if you can tell in the video here, but it looks definitely more powdery on the hand. Let me go ahead and swatch that here. Yeah, it does, it's much more powdery. But that's one time, so it's pretty good for one time. Whites are really hard, so let's go ahead and do the black and see what the black is like. Wow, okay, let's see what that black looks like. Wow, okay, that black is really good. That's one going in one time. It's still, so that's very pigmented. I just want to do maybe like one or two others. So let's do this kind of terracotta color, and then let's do, I don't know. Let's do this lighter color up here. All right. That one blends into my skin too much, but the terracotta color goes in nicely. So there's actually a color here, but it's so close to my skin color you can barely see it. But there's that terracotta color. So they're not bad, and there's still a lot more on my fingers. So I'm excited to play with this palette and see how it performs actually going on the eyes, because sometimes you can't always tell with swatching. So but we'll see. All right, so let me wipe those off, and let's go ahead and do a quick little recap of what I got in this Eyescream Beauty palette. So you definitely get your money's worth. Like I said, the cheapest item in here for retail value was the lip gloss for $21, and the box is $25. So it almost pays for the box yourself, and then every other item is $25 or more. So you definitely get your money's worth with this. Let me go ahead and put the palette back. So the palette is nice. The color story is nice. Oops, but see, here's the problem. With the front being white, I closed it, and I don't know if you can see, but I've already smudged it with some of the black shadow. So that's going to be an issue. Yeah, so this was $45. So $45 eyeshadow palette. And then we have the $21 lip gloss from Illuminati. Then we have the blush, which was, what was the blush? What was the blush? The blush was $25, okay? Pretty blush. Then we have the blush brush, which was $36. I would never pay that. Then we have the setting spray, which was $25. I think that's it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay. Let's see what I think of this box. I don't think it's a bad box. Is it my favorite box I've gotten from Eyescream Beauty? Probably not. But I'm rarely very disappointed with this box. So the only thing I'm disappointed with this box with, and it has nothing to do with the contents of the box, I've tried to change my mailing address with this subscription multiple times, and there's no easy way to do it. I thought that I'd figured it out, and it still came to the wrong address. So I don't know if I'm going to have to like cancel and then resubscribe with the new address. I don't know. But anyway, that's a little frustrating. But other than that, the what you actually get in the subscription, I've been very rarely disappointed with. So that will do it for this Eyescream Beauty. Like I said, I have another video that I'm going to film today. But other than that, thank you everybody for joining me. I said I will link my video below with the possible giveaway, either in the card, one of the cards at the end here, or in the description below. Other than that, I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.